In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your first Figma plugin. We'll start inside Figma. Open any file, then go to the menu and choose Plugins, Development, New Plugin. When prompted, select the option with a user interface with UI because it's the easiest way to learn, and then give your plugin a clear, memorable name. Right away, Figma generates a starter project so you can focus on building instead of setup. You'll see three key files. The manifest.json holds your plugin settings and metadata. Think of it as the control panel Figma reads. The code.js file is the main logic that runs in Figma's environment and can create or modify nodes on the canvas. The UI.html file defines the small window your users will see, which can include HTML, CSS, and front-end JavaScript. Let's build a tiny interface first. Open UI.html and add a simple heading and a button labeled Add Box. Below that button, include a short script that listens for clicks and sends a message to the main plugin code using parent.post message with a plugin message payload. That message is how your UI talks to the Figma side. Keep this pattern in mind as you add features. Now wire up the functionality. In code.js, first call figma.showUI to display the UI you just created, then listen for messages with figma.ui on message. When the message type is createBox, create a rectangle node, resize it to 200 by 100, set its fill to a solid blue color, and append it to the current page. Figma colors use values from 0 to 1, so a medium blue would have red 0, green 0.5, and blue 1. Once that's in place, you've connected your button to a visible result on the canvas. Time to run it. Back in Figma, go to Plugins Development and select your plugin by name. Your UI should pop up. Click Add Box, and a rectangle appears on the canvas instantly. If you change your code, just run the plugin again to reload it. A quick tip: keep your console open to spot errors early. From here, iterate. Tweak sizes, colors, or add inputs to your UI. Test, rerun, and check the results until it behaves smoothly. When you're comfortable, consider expanding the idea. Generate layouts, rename layers in bulk, insert icons or